Output type of question based on increment and decrement operators. When you answer an output, first global variables. Here global variables are not there. Execution starts at the main function. Now for loop starts from this area. So here int I is equal to 1. Memory is allocated for I. It is given the initial value 1. Then B. So memory is allocated for B. J is equal to 7. So J contains 7. Now after executing this part, condition checked, I contains 1. So 1 less than or equal to 2, condition true, control comes inside. Now here many operators are there, so you need to apply precedence rule. So first I need to calculate all the bracket, anyway brackets are not there. Second I need to evaluate all the prefix operators. Now this one is an example for a prefix operator. This is a prefix operator. So these two operators should be calculated first. Now J contains 7. So plus plus J means your J becomes 8. This is calculated. Now this one. Here J contains 8. So plus plus 8, 9. Minus minus 9, 8. Plus plus 8, 9. So now your J contains 9. Now all the prefix operators evaluated. After that binary. So binary means this is binary, this is binary. And when you calculate the binary operator, memory location on the left hand side should be added with memory location on the right hand side. So at this point of time, no need to bother about this postfix because it will be calculated when its turn comes. So, in order to calculate the binary operator, variable on the left hand side, that is J, plus variable on the right hand side, that is J. Your J contains 9, so it becomes 9 plus 9, 18. 18 minus variable on the right hand side, variable is J. So 9 plus 9, 18. 18 minus 9, 9. So after calculating the binary operators, you get the answer 9. After binary, assignment. So the answer that you got here, 9, should be assigned to B. So your B contains 9. Now after assignment, you should calculate the postfix operators. So this one is an example for a postfix operator. So this must be calculated now. So J minus minus. So 9 minus minus, your J becomes 8. So this expression completely evaluated. Now control goes to next line. Output operator. Calculation must be done from right to left. Now along with output operator, if prefix operator comes, the rule is change and use. And if postfix operator comes, use and change. So here, this is prefix. So change first, change and use. Change is always made in the memory and use it for output operator, which means the answer appears in the computer's monitor. So now your J contains 8. So here plus plus 8, 9, minus minus 9, 8, plus plus 8, 9, plus plus 9, 10. So now your J becomes 10. So change. Now use it for output operator, which means in the computer's monitor here you get the answer 10. Now after this space, this is postfix operator. So along with output operator, postfix comes. The rule is use and change, which means J should be used for output operator. After that change J, J minus minus. So what is J? Your J contains 10. So 10 used for output operator, meaning displayed in the computer's monitor. After that J minus minus. So now J becomes 9. Now here space. This is prefix operator. So along with output operator, prefix comes. Change and use. So first I need to change J plus plus J. So J becomes plus plus 9. J becomes 10. After change, use it for output operator, which means in the computer's monitor, you get the answer 10. So your first line of answer is 10 space 10 space 10. So in the computer's monitor, you get the first line of output 10 10 10. And after that, control goes to next line. output operator, calculation must be done from right to left. So let me start from this point. This is neither prefix nor postfix. So no need to apply any rule. J contains 10. So in the computer's monitor, at this point you get 10. Space. B, neither prefix nor postfix, so you don't need to apply any rule. What is B? Your B is 9. So here you get the answer 9. So in the computer's monitor, in a new line, you get 9 followed by space followed by 10, and here the cursor goes to next line. So 9, 10, and because of N, L, cursor goes to next line. Now the body of the for loop executed once. After executing the body, remember the control comes to this point. So I plus plus, I is 1, so 1 plus plus, your I becomes 2. Now after this, condition checked. 2 less than or equal to 2, condition true, so control comes inside. Here multiple operators are there, you need to apply precedence rule. First bracket, anyway bracket is not there. Then prefix, so let me calculate all the prefix operators. So these are the prefix operators. So what does J contain? 10. So plus plus 10, now your J becomes 11. Now let me calculate this. Your J contains 11. So here plus plus 11, 12, minus minus 12, 11, plus plus 11, 12. So now J becomes 12. Now after prefix, do the binary operation. So this one is a binary operator, and when you perform binary operator, memory location on the left hand side should be added with the memory location on the right hand side. At this point of time, don't bother about this postfix because it will be calculated when its turn comes. So what does J contain? Your J contains 12. So here 12 plus 12, 24, minus 12, 12, because when you evaluate the binary operator, just go through the variable name. Okay, so after calculating binary operator, you get the answer 12. Now after binary assignment, meaning right hand side should be assigned to left hand side. So right hand side, the answer is 12, that comes in variable B. So this 9 is replaced with the 12. After assignment, do the postfix operator. So this is the postfix operator. I need to calculate this. So J minus minus, 12 minus minus, now your J becomes 11. So this is completely evaluated. Control goes to next line. Cascading of output operator, meaning multiple use of output operator in one statement. So calculation must be done from right to left. Now this is prefix, so change and use. What does J contain? J contains 11. So plus plus 11, 12, minus minus 12, 11, plus plus 11, 12, plus plus 12, 13. So change, J contains 13. Now use it for output operator. So here 13 comes, space. This is postfix operator. It comes along with output. So use and change, meaning the current value for J should be used for output operator. After that, change J. So what's the current value for J? 13. So here 13 comes. Now 13 minus minus, change always in the memory. So 13 minus minus means this becomes 12. Now space, this is prefix. It comes along with output operator, change and use. So first change, plus plus J, J contains 12, so plus plus 12, your J becomes 13 because change always in the memory. After change, use it for output operator, which means in the computer's monitor at this point you get 13. So your next line of output is 13 space 13 space 13. Your cursor is here, so answer 13, 13, 13. Now next line, cascading of output operator, meaning multiple use of output operator in one statement. So calculation must be done from right to left. Here neither prefix nor postfix, so no need to apply any rule. Your J contains 13, so 13 appears in the monitor at this point. Space, neither prefix nor postfix, so no need to apply any rule. B contains 12, so 12 appears in the computer's monitor. So your next line of output, in a new line you get the answer 12 space 13 and L. Because of end L, the cursor goes to next line. Now the body of the function, body of the for loop executed. After executing the body, control reaches this point. So I plus plus, which means now 2 plus plus your I becomes 3. Now 3 less than or equal to 2, condition wrong. So you exit from this for loop and here the program terminates. So for this program, this is the output.